Alright, so this is in reference to the 2012, or really anywhere in the new range of Ford Fusions. The fan, the blower fan inside the car makes that ticking sound. It sounds like a grasshopper's inside your blower. So I did some research. I looked online on how to fix this shit, and couldn't find anything. People were saying, oh, just replace the blower. You'll get a new fan. It's like 60 bucks on eBay. Don't do that. That is not the issue. You're gonna end up spending money for a fan, and you're gonna throw it in, and it's gonna be the same size. It's gonna hit the same shit and make the same sound. So I didn't do that. I'm not the retard who bought the new fan. I dug into it and I found the issue. So I'll show you in a little bit really how to access the issue. But first I'm going to explain what the problem was. So you've got the fan, right? Say this is the fan. It's going to go up into a housing. And inside that housing is where the issue is. That housing, the black housing, is made out of plastic. And it was made out of a mold. And so they did an injection mold to make this housing for the fan. The fan is hitting something inside that the housing, and I'll show you on this black thing here. I just used a piece of plastic to show you what is actually inside the mold that you're hitting. So I'll try and show you at an angle. Now it's kind of hard to see that black circle right in the center of the screen, right there. So that is part of the discrepancy in the injection mold. They're in every plastic injection mold, but where that is inside the housing, it's protruding out just a tiny bit, and that fan is hitting it. It's only one spot on every mold or on every housing, and your fan is going to hit that. And when you take your fan out and you look inside that housing, you'll see that it's had wear marks on that injection, or that little protrusion there inside the housing. You'll see the fan has been wearing up against it and hitting it. That's why you're getting that chirping noise, because something on your fan is hitting that every time it makes a revolution. That's probably why you can't hear it when you turn it on high as well, because it's just going too fast. You can't distinguish each tick from each one. So what you do, take the fan out, find where it's protruding, and grind it down. Grind it down. I put a rotary file on a drill motor. I filed it down, then I sanded it smooth. Make sure you do that. And then I took the fan and the outside edge, I sanded that smooth. So say this is the outside of your fan. I just took a sander, sanded the outside, brought it down just a little bit, made sure it was nice and smooth, because that is the area that is hitting the protrusion inside the housing. So we'll go out there and I'll show you how to take the blower out. So it's under the passenger, the front passenger, under the glove box. So you'll have to tear under here. So right here is the housing. That's actually your blower fan right here. And right, put this light down. Here is a 1/4 inch bolt. 1/4 inch bolt here. There's 3 of them around the housing. There's one over there. There's one right here. Do not take these ones out. These little 3 here, you do not need to take those Phillips screws out. They might be a Phillips or a flathead. You don't need to do that. Unplug the motor, obviously, right here. Take that out. Pop those 1/4 inch bolts out, and then you can look up inside the housing. Look up inside the housing, find the spot where it's sticking out, sand it down, you're done. Hope this video helped. See ya.